Hello you guys, I just got this 6-in-1 multifunctional styling hair dryer. This is going to be like the Dyson Airwraps if you've seen those, so popular lately, but this is going to be much more affordable and for the same quality, which I love. As you can see, it comes with 6 different additional pieces. This is going to be to dry your hair. These 2 are for curling. This one is the straightening comb. And then there's these 2 round brushes right here. And all you need to do is attach them to the top right here and just get to it. So I'm gonna use them and show you what that looks like. Alright guys, so here's what my hair looks like after using the curling wand of the accessories. There's 2 of them. One curls in this direction and the other curls in this direction away from my face. I am so obsessed with this. It's so easy to use. Easily unlock and take this off right here by pulling down and then pulling this out like this. And when you're putting it in, just clink it in. And to turn it on and off, it's so easy. You have low, mid, and high heat as well. So obsessed with this. If you guys are looking for a 6-in-1 hair dryer, definitely check this one out.